Hi everyone. Spa Ceylon. Spa Ceylon is very famous in Sri Lanka. They have a lot of branches here, and then they also have a lot of branches all around the world, like Middle East and Africa, Europe, Southeast Asia, and even USA. Now this Spa Ceylon, they have a marvelous massage, all that kind of massage, back massage, head massage, stress relief massage, full body massage, foot massage, any kind of massages they have it. And they also have an awesome line of products. Their product is like totally they are like very awesome. If you ever purchase one of their product, you will feel that their product is like high quality and very hard to compete, especially in Sri Lanka. And last year they received some awards for their achievements. So let's check how the party is like, and then it's like a red party, but how is it like, and then what is available there, and what are they doing on that party? Let's check it out. Okay.